So let's humanize a boring hi-hat. So let's just take this pencil tool and create a hi-hat with that. So you're going to have something pretty boring that sounds like this. Okay, let's just go ahead and duplicate that for the entire section. See here, if we right click, that the fixed grid is 1/8, so that's important to know. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into velocity, and we're going to select everything by pressing Control A, and we're going to click randomize. So now let's take a listen. If you think it's too much of a variation, you can just now reduce the amount of randomization, say about 70%. So the next thing you want to do is go into the drum rack, and you can see here that the closed hi-hat's been played. What we're going to do is double click on that, and we're going to click on show hide devices. So basically what that's doing is opening up an instance of the simpler sample. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into controls. So we're going to just make sure that the random sample is selected, just like that. Then we're going to go and reduce the LFO rate. We'll just reduce it to about 10%. And then we're going to increase the pitch to about 10 to 15%. And pan will be increased to about 15% as well. So what that's doing is the LFO is working, the engine of the LFO for the simpler is working to move the pan for about 10-15% and pitch about the same 10-15%. Next thing you want to do is go into the groove pool just like that. And remember, the beat is an 8th beat, not a 16th beat. So we're just going to go and look for 8ths that we can use. And nothing too aggressive. We can just bring about a smaller swing percentage like that, and then apply that to the beat. That's a bit too much, so we're just going to reduce the amount. So now let's just finally apply the finishing touches, which is a bit of reverb. So you can see here we've got a Valhalla shimmer. So let's just bring a bit of that shimmer in. It's got a bit of kickstart on there, so there's a bit of sidechain sound. And let's finally bring the overall volume down so it fits well within the mix. So I really hope that was useful. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.